So I got the RT Challenger here, the shaker, and what I'm noticing is up top, this clear coat is just coming off. It's like October right now, so I don't want to have to respray clear coat on it right now. Didn't want to have to deal with this right now, so I'm just wiping it down and thinking maybe just electrical tape. So I started here, just gently laid it on there, didn't stretch it, just laid it on and pressed it down. Doesn't look too bad. I got the Scotch, what's this stuff, electrical tape, and just laid it down. I figured this will get me through the winter, and maybe come spring get it clear coated again, but it don't look too bad. Maybe that'll be okay. So a lot easier than having to paint it right now. So just a tip, if your car's doing the same thing, like I said, it's probably because it's just plastic or something. I don't know, but that clear coat didn't hold up too well in this piece, so I figure I'd get away with it with just some electrical tape for now. So just a tip. So I got it cut and trimmed and tucked in there. So from far away it looks pretty good. I don't think you could tell it's electrical tape, but it turned out all right. So tell me what you think down in the comments. Thanks for watching. So here's a follow-up video of the one I did back in October when I put the electrical tape over here because the paint was peeling just off this strip. And this is like August 3rd. We've had, you know, that 1 week in June of 100-degree days. Then we had a week of nothing but rain, and it's really holding up good. You know, from far away, looks like it was made that way, but it's actually electrical tape, and it faded a little bit, but it still looks pretty good. So there were some comments, people were asking me, you know, did it peel off? Did it bubble up? They were asking how it held up. And here it is. I'm really happy with it. I just wanted to get through the winter with it, and I was going to sand it down and paint it, but I might just leave the electrical tape on, see how long it lasts before I start having problems. So there's the update. Thanks for watching.